Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Ritendra, I am preacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and today is very special lecture. Today I am going to talk about the distinction between the Hindu and Sanatan Dharma. Hindu Dharma and Sanatan Dharma. However, Hindu Dharma is part and parcel of Sanatan Dharma, but people are actually bifurcated themselves from Sanatan Dharma. Sanatan Dharma is totally different from Hindu. Sanatan Dharma is a mother and Hindu Dharma is a kid or child. And the qualities of Sanatani, the people who are actually follower of Sanatan Dharma, actually the qualities which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita. But we all are actually considered Hindu, but I would never consider myself as Hindu because I am Sanatani. Because the quality which are mentioned in Srimad Bhagavad Gita for Sanatan Dharma, the quality of the person of those people who are actually follower of Sanatan Dharma in 12th chapter Lord Krishna mentioned, and Hindu who are actually making a discrimination, who are actually biased with people on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the religion, and fighting with each other. The people who are very envious and also biased, and also they don't have a peace. And these kind of people are actually considered Hindu, but Hindu and Sanatan both are different. But Sanatani people would never consider themselves as a bias with anything, with anybody. These people will definitely behave equally with friend and enemy both. We treat both equally. So here Krishna mentioned about Sanatan Dharma and also Hindu Dharma, means the quality of Sanatani and also quality of Hindu. And the person who actually not fighting with anybody's, and who is actually very kind and sober and equally behave with a enemy as well as a friend, both equally, means the treatment for both equal. So that kind of person is known as a Sanatani. Krishna here clearly stated in verse number 27, chapter number 9. Here Krishna Madhusudan Mukunda Murari Kesava Janadana Govind Gopala Madhava clearly stated. Krishna said, Samoham sarva bhutesu nami dvesanti nami priyaha yo bhajanti tu mama bhaktani mahite tesu chapya. Here Krishna said, my devotee, the people who are actually follower of Sanatan Dharma, Krishna said, I am neither envious nor biased with anyone. I neither envious nor biased with anyone. I am equal to all people. Madhav, Madhusudan, Mukunda, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Kesava, Krishna. Here clearly stated, I am equal to all people, and Sanatani would think that he is equal for all people and all people are equal for him. So these kind of people are actually Sanatani and always thinking and always working in the welfare of others. These people are not selfish. Sanatani will never be selfish. Sanatani people will never consider his or her self individual. Sanatani people will never be selfish and never think about his or her own family. He would consider entire creation of Lord Krishna, entire Srishti is his own family. So here Sanatani people would think like this, and Krishna clearly stated about the qualities of Sanatani. Atreshta sarva bhutana mitraha karuna ivacha karuna compassion. Sanatani would have a supreme compassion. Sanatani would never have any kind of vengeance or any kind of animosity. So Atreshta sarva bhutana mitra karuna ivacha nirmemo nirankara, the person who is free from all kind of arrogance. Some dukham sukham sami. Some dukham sukham sami. The person who is equal in the happiness and distress. In both conditions, that particular person treating all people equally. Santushta satata yogi. Yatatmana dridha nischaya. Always strong determination. Sanatani would always strong in determination. Maya aprita manoh buddhira ya mada bhakta chami priya. That kind of Sanatani person, that kind of bhakta is very dear to Lord Krishna. This is what Madhav, Madhusudan, Murari, Kesava, Janardana, Govind, Gopala, Madhava stated. Madhusudan further stated in verse number 15, chapter number 12. In a devotional services, Krishna said, Yasmana not vijate lokaha, lokana not vijate cha yaha. Yasmana no dvijate lokah, lokana no dvijate chayah. Harsamarso bhaya bakira muktoha yachami priyaha. That kind of person is very dear to me. That kind of person would consider as a Sanatani. He by whom no one is put into difficult. Sanatani. to the Sanatani person, we nobody can put into difficult, who is not disturbed by anyone. Sanatani would never be disturbed by anyone. And we is equiposed in happiness and distress. Sanatani would always equipose in happiness and distress and fear and also anxiety. That particular person, Sanatani, would never have any kind of anxiety and fear, and always equal to all people, and that kind of that kind of devotee is very dear to Lord Krishna. That kind of Sanatani is very dear to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further said, Anapeksha Srutiksha Udasino Gatavyatha सर्व आरंभ परित्यागी, सर्व आरंभ परित्यागी, यो मद भक्त चमी प्रिय, यो मद भक्त चमी प्रिय, यर माधव मधुसूदन मुकुंदा मुरारी केशव जनार्दन गोविंद गोपाल माधव. My devotee who is not dependent on the ordinary course of activities. Krishna clearly stated, my devotee Sanatani would never depend. Sanatani, the people who are actually follower of Sanatani would never depend on ordinary course of action. Who is pure, Sanatani are always pure, expert, without cares, free from all the pains, and not striving for some result is very dear to Lord Krishna. Sanatani would never strive for any result, always dear to Lord Krishna, means never depend on ordinary course of action. Who is very pure, Sanatanis are always pure, expert, without cares, free from all the pains, and not striving for some result, not striving for any results, is very dear to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further stated, Yona harsati na dvesati na shoshati na kankasati subh asubh parityajati bhaktam amam chami priya naraha. What kind of devotee is very dear to Lord Krishna? Lord Krishna said, Sanatani, the person who neither rejoice nor grieves, who neither lament nor desire, who neither rejoice nor grieves, who neither lament nor desire, who renounce both auspicious and also inauspicious things. Such a devotee is very dear to Lord Krishna. Such a Sanatani person is very dear to Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna further say, verse number 18th and 19th, here Krishna says, Sama Satru cha mitra tata man apman yoha. Listen this verse very carefully. Sam satru cha mitra tata man apman yoha. Sitosno sukh dukhesu sam sangha vivarjitah. Sitosno sukh dukhesu sam sangha vivarjitah. Tulya ninda stutira moni. Tulya ninda stutira moni. Santushto ena kena chitah. Aniketa stira matirah. Bhaktam mahamam chami priya nara. Krishna clearly stated, the Sanatani would, one who is equal to friend and enemy. Sanatani, for Sanatani person, equal friend and enemy, equal treating for friend and enemy, who is equiposed in honor and dishonor. Sanatani would always consider himself equiposed in honor and dishonor, heat and cold, happiness and distress, fame and infamy, who is always free from the contaminating association. Sanatani would always free from all kind of contaminating association, always silent. Sanatanis are always silent, satisfied with anything, who doesn't care for any residence. Sanatani would never consider, who doesn't care about any residence or the people around him, and who is fixed in knowledge, and the person who is very strong, determined. Only that kind of Sanatani is very dear to Lord Krishna. These are the qualities of Lord Krishna's devotee. These are the qualities of Sanatani person, always surrender to the Supreme. And the person who is fighting on the basis of Hinduism and also Sanatan Dharma, that particular person neither Sanatani nor Hindu. Because Sanatani will never fight with anyone on the basis of Dharma. He would never consider, he doesn't care about anybody who is criticizing about him. He doesn't care about whoever residing beside to him. He doesn't care. He will never make any kind of contaminating association. Sanatani will never make any kind of contaminating association. Sanatani will never fight on the basis of the religion, on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the birth. He will never discriminate on the basis of the birth, caste and also religion. Only that kind of person is known as Sanatani. So you have to decide whether you are Sanatani or Hindu. Fact, Hindu means Hindu and Sanatani both are different, and you have to acquire particular this kind of quality. I am not actually making here to discriminate. I am only telling, I am only conveying What does Lord Krishna say about Sanatan people, Sanatani people in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and what kind of quality and how would we live and what kind of quality we have to acquire in order to get the supreme abode of Lord Krishna. We don't have to fight on the name of Hindu, on the name of Muslim, on the name of any caste or any religion, on the place of the birth. We don't have to make any kind of discrimination. We just have to focus how to obtain the supreme abode of Lord Krishna, how to abode the supreme destination, how to obtain all the nature, all the qualities of Lord Krishna. If you surrender to Lord Krishna, then you will surely achieve all such a qualities what does Lord Krishna has. So I hope you all can understand the clear-cut difference between the Sanatan Dharma and also Hindu Dharma. And thank you so much. Hare Krishna. If you have any doubt, any comment, is any doubt, any question, then please put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Jai Sri Radhe.